What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make yard signs with vinyl. And of course, to make your decals for the yard signs, you're going to need a vinyl cutter. This is the one we have. You do not have to get this one. This one's a little expensive. We paid almost $2,000 for this one. This one's the Graphic CE 6060 and is a 25-inch vinyl cutter. And of course, you're going to need a computer, software, and a whole bunch of vinyls. Our signs are 24 by 18. I'm gonna leave the links in the description where you can get them. And this is what it looks like before we actually add the decals on top of it. Now, if you get people asking for better yard sign stakes, you can always get them from Home Depot, or they can get them from Home Depot. You can just sell them the sign and they can get the stake themselves. Okay, I got a few questions about the sizes of the vinyl that we get. Our vinyl cutter is 25 inches. So the biggest vinyl we can fit in is 25, but the vinyl comes in a 24-inch by 50-yard roll. That's the one we get. We have different sizes, but this is the one we prefer to get. As far as the tape goes, we use the R tape Clear Choice AT75. It's not 100% clear. You can still see through it, but it's not like the other tape. We also sell a lot of car magnets. I'm gonna add the link in the description where you can get it, and we get a roll. We just cut it accordingly. There's also gonna be a link to other videos where we show you how to make car magnets. Make sure you check it out. Okay, this is the low tack transfer tape, and just to show you how you have to struggle, you have to push down, you have to press hard on the vinyl for it to come off, just like that. This is the difference between the low tack and the high tack. Now, as I mentioned before, now we're gonna use the AT75, the high tack tape. And the reason we're gonna use it on this one is because this design has a whole bunch of letters. We don't wanna struggle like we did with the other, the little house. We don't wanna have the same issue with that. That's the reason we're gonna use that on this one here. You see the difference? Sometimes a few letters wanna stay behind, but it's not compared to the other tape. See how easy they come off? Okay, we took all the measurements to make sure that it's well centered. I'm gonna use just a piece of tape. It's just regular white tape. And the reason we use this is to hold the decal so it doesn't move around. And I'm just gonna place it up here, just like that. And let me get a little bit closer. We got the registration marks on all the decals right here, with the letters, and we're just gonna match them like that. And then there's the third color, which we're gonna use the same registration marks to add it. And pretty simple, just like that. Now you can do dry application as well as wet application. Someone asked me before if the water doesn't prevent the decal from sticking, and it actually does prevent it from sticking, and that's the reason we actually use the water. In case we have to move the letters or the logo, if we misplace it, we can always remove it and put it back on where it belongs if you make a mistake. That's the reason we use the water. But it only takes a few minutes, or I should say a few seconds. If you squeegee the water out, it only takes a few seconds for it to come off, and you can just peel it off right away, almost. We're just gonna center one side first. Then once we get it align, we can just do the other side. It doesn't really have to be 100% perfect. Okay, and we're gonna use the same tape. We're gonna keep using the registration marks for the other color. We're gonna use the same. We're gonna do the same. Just align one side and then the other one. Same process. Right now we're just taking our time because I wanted to record it, but it shouldn't take this long. We usually do it faster. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel if you like our videos, and I'm gonna leave the links in the description, so don't forget to go check it out. I'll see you guys until the next video. Bye.